This is my son 2010 Infiniti. I think it's a G37. But I noticed here with the key fob, none of these buttons are working. The trunk or anything to unlock or lock. And I just put new batteries in it. But I noticed that when you take this key, and you could come to the car and unlock it just by hitting this button right here. The key is close enough so it senses it. It unlocks. But we noticed that we had to get in it. And once you get in it, you put your key here in this slot and you drive it for a few minutes. So if I come here and start it, I'm gonna go reverse, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just drive it here.
Lone Star Circle of Care is here to shake up the game.
Let me turn this volume down. And when I drive it for a few minutes, and I'm gonna pause this video because I'm gonna drive it for probably a minute instead of wasting your time. And when I get out of it, and I'm gonna show you and hit the lock and unlock button, it starts working. Maybe this down here is charging the key, or maybe it's syncing it, I don't know, but it got new batteries. I don't know if this is a normal thing with Infiniti or not. So I'm gonna pause this video and drive for a few minutes. Okay, I just drove the car around for about a minute and a half around the cul-de-sac. So now I'm gonna take the key out and let's see if it works now. So I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna just get at this angle so you can see. And I'm gonna hit the lock button. Works great. You see the light? I'm gonna hit lock again. I'm gonna hit the unlock. Works great. Hit the lock. I don't know if this is something that's normal with the Infiniti, that because I got a brand new battery in here. Like I said, I had to drive it around for a couple of minutes with this into the ignition. Maybe it's to recharge it or recalibrate it or sync it. Now let's try the trunk. We're gonna hit and hold the trunk. That works fine. Trunk. So if this normal, maybe if you have the same issue, the only thing you need to do is put it in that ignition slot down there on the bottom left and drive for about a minute, and it's good. It's recharged or resynced. All right, thank you, and have a great day, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.